How to deactivate my Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can deactivate, not delete, your Instagram account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to deactivate our Instagram account, we can just open up our web browser, not the app, but I'm talking about web browser, so keep that in mind. And then just go to instagram.com and log into your account. So you can see I'm already on instagram.com and I'm already logged into my account. As you can see, the profile icons over here. And what you have to do is, first of all, just come to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom. And after you've done that, select the button that says edit profile, which is at the very top. Once you tap on the edit profile button, which is at the very top, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and right over here you'll find another button that says temporarily deactivate my account. So just tap on the temporarily deactivate my account button. As you've done that, it will ask you why are you deactivating your account. Now keep in mind, deactivation is a temporary process, which means that anytime you log in and try to log in later on, you'll have access back into your Instagram account, but until then it is going to remain deactivated and no one else is going to be able to find you. So just select a reason for deactivating your account and just choose the option called password and enter your current password over here, and just tap on the temporarily deactivate account button from the bottom. Now it is also possible to delete your account if you want to. For that, we already have another video. You can search them up in our channel similarly, but that's all it takes to delete or deactivate your Instagram account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.